How to view send follow request on Instagram. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three line icon. Inside your scroll below, then simply tap on account center right over here. After that, select your information and permissions. Right over here, select export your information. Now tap on export and select your Instagram account. After that, you want to simply tap on export to device. Then scroll below, tap on customize information. Just like that, deselect everything except following and followers. After that, tap on save. Then simply tap on start export. After that, you can simply enter your password and then tap on continue. Wait a few minutes while Instagram prepares your data. Once it's ready, simply tap on download and a zip file will be downloaded to your device. And after that, you can simply find the file with Instagram username and unzip it. Folder, and just like that, you can open the following and follower list. Select pending follow requests and you will be able to find follow requests that are still pending. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.